فِي النَّارِ, when they are going to be making cases against one another in the fire, فَيَقُولُ الضُّعَفَاءُ لِلَّذِينَ اسْتَكْبَرُوا, then the weak among them will speak to those who were arrogant and big, إِنَّا كُنَّا لَكُمْ تَبَعًا, we used to follow y'all. فَهَلْ أَنْتُمْ مُغْنُونَ عَنَّا نَصِيبًا مِنَ النَّارِ, are you able to make us independent of at least some part of the flame? Can you use your connections that you had all this time to at least get rid of some portion of the fire? قَالَ الَّذِينَ اسْتَكْبَرُوا, those who are arrogant are going to be saying then, إِنَّا كُلٌّ فِيهَا, we are all in it, we're all the same inmates. إِنَّ اللَّهَ قَدْ حَكَمَ بَيْنَ الْعِبَادِ, Allah has already passed His verdict among the slaves. وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ فِي النَّارِ لِخَزَنَةِ جَهَنَّمْ, then since they don't have any hopes with their leaders that are burning in hell, they turn to the guardians of hell, and they say to them, those who are in the fire say to the guardians of Jahannam, أُدْعُوا رَبَّكُمْ, can you make a dua to your master? Because we know we can't make dua, he doesn't hear us. لَا يَنْظُرُ إِلَيْهِمْ, he doesn't even look towards them. يُخَفِّفْ عَنَّا يَوْمًا مِنَ الْعَذَابِ, can he lighten, at least can we have one light day? We have all these work days, can we have a weekend in hellfire? Where the temperature's toned down a little? يَوْمًا مِنَ الْعَذَابِ, just one day. We're not asking for a lot. قَالُوا أَوَلَمْ تَكُ تَأْتِيكُمْ رُسُلُكُمْ بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ, wasn't it the case that all the messengers came to you with the clearest proofs? قَالُوا بَلَى, they said, I know, we know, but we're just saying. قَالُوا فَادْعُوا, then the guardian says to him, the guardians say to them, go ahead and keep asking. وَمَا دُعَاءُ الْكَافِرِينَ إِلَّا فِي ضَلَالٍ, and what is the call of disbelievers except that it falls in vain, it falls to waste.